Hey, is it rolling? 'Cause I got this flow, I gotta spit. They tell me that I'm crazy, trying to survive out here with the beers. I don't bring anything else out here, you know. It's a tool. It has so many diverse uses. Very versatile beer out here in the wilderness. A lot of other people try to do this, and they think they can come out here with, to be frank, a lesser beer. I don't know what that guy's drinking. They're trying to have what I have, but I just see someone that's not gonna make it, and they never do. First question that comes up is, where do you get the beer? I fish it out. I just gotta, get in the water. Patience. What I like about being out here alone in the woods is the community. A lot of people ask me if I ever get lonely. No. It's a very spiritual experience. Me and nature and Dogfish Head. What's up, Mother Nature?
Oh no! No, no! Get rid of that!
Here, man.